Mankind and all its activities have created a new color for human life, threatening coastal mangrove forest ecosystems that are designed to absorb wave energy. The world is losing about 30 to 50% of its mangrove forests and continues to lose them at a rate of about 2% per year. Our mangrove forests, like those in Denmark, are also being destroyed by rising sea levels and sinking land.
Aku ya wis ngerti ta nek sayung memang banjire berat. Ya yo mau kowe sing ngatati kaya piye carane agar iki bisa ditanggulangi.
Dengan ini campaign GoZero telah resmi dirilis dan akan menjadi wujud komitmen Telkom Indonesia pada nilai-nilai environmental, social and governance untuk memperkuat posisi Telkom sebagai perusahaan yang berkomitmen pada keberlanjutan intinya.
Through Telkom's restoration efforts, we are restoring the mangrove's function as a shoreline protector and carbon sink. Giving new hope to coastal ecosystems and the surrounding community. Let's take action together. With real action, we will keep this earth a comfortable place for humanity and better for future generations.